Hi, what's up, Vechain holders? So please subscribe this channel, ABS channel, for more this type informative videos, and press the bell icon for videos notification. Vechain holders starting very big mistake. It's a very huge mistake, my brother. If you do this mistake, definitely you are completely in the loss. The mistake, my brother, the mistake is that to holder are starting selling. Yes, this time you can see, my brother. First of all, I want to tell you, so this time you can see something interesting. So this time you can see on the chart change occurred. You can see 1 hour, one day, and 7 days. These chart is completely showing about these change occur is completely showing to this coin is very badly dumped down and go in the garbage. So if they fails down like that, then definitely this coin is go to zero, and they will cannot give you, my friends, a profit. They are completely in the loss. So the main reasons and the holders mistake I will tell you, also share my opinion. Then absolutely you need to watch this video completely, don't skip any second, my brother. First of all, I want to show you some interesting last 3 days chart. So this chart is completely showing this coin is fails down after a very short jump, from last 4 days, my friend. And in the start of this month, my friend, this coin is starting moving upward. But definitely you can see here after a June 8, after a June 7, 8, you can see here 9, this coin is fails down. So therefore I will tell you, my brother, to in upcoming time there is more chances to this coin is very badly fails down. So this the main reason is that to holders are doing a big mistake. The mistake is that you can see, my brothers, to holder are starting selling and selling. If you starting selling, this coin is more and more fails down. So you need to hold, my brother. And this is not a financial video, I just advise you, my brother. Vechain, one of the fastest coin and very stable coin, my brother. When this coin fails down, then very slowly, but when this coin moving upward very fastly. So I think I recommend you, my brother, to kindly hold it, don't sell it. If you hold, then absolutely, my brother, I hope in the future they will recover soon now, so they will give you a very good profit now. So Vechain holder, please like this video and absolutely do this what I taught you. Please hold it, don't sell it. After my prediction, absolutely you understand, my brothers, to this coin is going the moon now. So last 7 days chart, I'm going to open it, and if you predicate this coin, then you understand, my brothers, to really this coin is moving upward. My friends, the direction is completely very badly fails down, especially but this time you can see after a jump they fails down. Every graph frequency is take a very every graph frequency is moving like that. So they definitely, my friends, in the last arrows, if you can see here, the direction is moving upward. So it's mean to 100% there is a chance to they will go in the moon now, and they change they take a very huge jump now. So good time is coming soon. I hope they will recover these changes, recover soon. And minus 12.21% they fails down. The price is decreased now from last 7 days, but definitely I hope they will recover soon now. So Vechain holder, don't do this mistake, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.